Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to live stream PC games on YouTube using OBS. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your OBS app on your computer. Before we dive into the setup, here's an important note. Make sure the game you want to stream is already open and running on your PC. This allows OBS to properly detect it during the configuration process. Now, navigate to Scene and click the plus icon. Type a name for your scene, for example, YouTube stream. Then click OK. This creates a dedicated scene specifically for your live streaming setup. In the bottom left, navigate to Sources and click the plus icon. From the menu that appears, select Game Capture, then click OK. This source type is designed to capture gameplay directly from your running game, ensuring smooth performance and high-quality output. Next, navigate to Mode and click the drop-down menu beside it. Select Capture Specific Window from the available options. This mode allows OBS to focus exclusively on your game window rather than capturing your entire screen. Right beside that, navigate to Window and click the drop-down menu. Select your specific game from the list of running applications. Make sure you choose the correct game window to ensure OBS captures exactly what you want to stream. Once you've selected your game, click OK to confirm your settings. Your game should now appear in the OBS preview window, showing you exactly what your viewers will see during the stream. Now open your web browser and go to youtube.com. In the upper right corner, click the Create button, then select Go Live from the drop-down menu. Wait for a few seconds while the page loads and prepares your streaming dashboard. In the left panel, click the Stream button. This section contains all the technical settings you need to connect OBS to your YouTube channel. In the middle of the stream page, click Learn how to use encoders. This opens up the streaming key information that OBS needs to connect to YouTube. Navigate to Stream Key and click the Copy button right beside it. This key is essential as it authenticates your OBS connection to your YouTube channel. Keep this key private and never share it publicly. Head back to OBS. In the upper left, click File, then select Settings from the menu. In the left panel of the Settings window, click Stream. This is where you'll configure OBS to connect with YouTube. Navigate to Service at the top and click the drop-down menu beside it. Select YouTube RTMPS from the list. This protocol ensures your stream is sent securely to YouTube servers. Below that, click Use Stream Key Advanced to enable the manual Stream Key input option. In the Stream Key section, click the text field beside it and paste the stream key you copied earlier from YouTube. Make sure the entire key is pasted correctly, as any errors will prevent your stream from connecting. In the bottom right, click Apply to save your settings, then click OK to close the settings window. Now you're ready to start streaming. In the right panel, click Start Streaming. OBS will now begin sending your gameplay to YouTube servers. Go back to YouTube in your browser to verify that everything is working correctly. In the upper right, you should see an indicator showing that your stream is ongoing. Wait for a few seconds to load, and if needed, refresh the page until you see your live stream appearing on your channel. And that's it. You've successfully set up and started live streaming your PC games on YouTube using OBS. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.